Good morning, children. Yesterday we have seen better the division by 10, 100,000 and so on. So let's see once again. And it was your homework 25 upon 75 divided by 10. So children, yesterday we have seen how to divide it. So what we will do? We will do 75 and decimal upon 100 because decimal number is converted into decimal fraction and divided by 10. So what to do better? 25, 75 and this division sign is converted into multiplication and we'll take the reciprocal of this. So 2575 100 into 10 is 1000. And the answer is, write down this numerator as it is without decimal point. Okay. So it is 2575. And see, count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. Now put the decimal point from the right side after 3 place. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 2.575. Okay. So instead of doing all this, you can orally divide number by 10, 100,000 and so on. Okay, so see beta how you will orally divide. It is 25.75. Yes, and remember this. In the previous class, we have learned how to multiply a decimal number by 10, 100,000. So that time what we do beta? 25.75 multiplied by 10 and here divided by 10. So you have learned. So while multiplying by 10, 100,000, 10,000 and so on, so we have to shift the decimal towards right side. Means this 10 has 1 0. So you have to move or shift this decimal point one place right side. Okay. And division is just opposite of the multiplication. So here by dividing 10, 100,000, first count the number of zeros. See, it has 1 0, 10 has 1 0. So you have to shift the decimal point one place towards left sides. So what will be the answer? It is 2.575. And see beta, the answer systematically divided by 10 is 2.75 and it is the orally division by 10, 100 and 1000. Got it? So while dividing by 10, 100,000, you just shift the decimal towards left side. And while multiplying, you have to shift the decimal towards right side. Got it, beta? Let's see one more examples. It was B. 67.8 divided by 10. Then 1000. And question number F is 0.9 divided by 10. Now see that. How will you quickly find out the answer? So write down the number as it is without decimal point. It is 6, 7, 8. Now you have to divide it by 10. It has 1 0. That means what? You have to shift this decimal point one place left side. Means it would be before 7. So the answer is 6.78. Got it, beta? Now see, it is a whole number. So write down the whole number as it is 55047. Now count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So it is 5.047. You have, while dividing, you have to shift left side. 80.75. So write down 80.75. Without decimal point, write down the number. Now 1, 2. So you have to divide it by 100. Means it has 2 zeros. And the position of 0 is here. So move left side 2 place. 1, 2. So it would be before 8. Okay. So you can write it 0.87807. Okay. Now write down 2, 1, 20 as it is 21, 5, 4. Count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. Shift the decimal point 3 place left side. 1, 2, 3. So it is before 2. 0.9. So write down as it is 0.9. 10 has 1 0. So you have to shift one place. Means before 0. The answer is 0.09. So got it, children? So in this way, you can find out quickly the quotient dividing by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. So for that, you just shift the decimal point towards left side. Got it, children? Now let's see, children, the division by the multiple of 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Okay. So let's see the division by multiple of 10, 100 and so on. See, beta, you have to divide this 29.36 by 20 and 20 is the multiple of 10. Okay. Okay. So it is like this. Okay. So here we will break this 20 in the multiple of 10. 10 to the 20. Okay. Now we learned how to divide the number by 10. So see, beta, the position of decimal point is here and you have to divide by 10. Means you have to shift one place left side. So it is 2.936. Now what is left in the denominator? 2 is left. Got it? Now divide. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 30, and 2 8s are 16. So what is the answer? Here. 1.468. Got it, beta? Let's see one more example. 72.5 divided by 500. Okay. So 500 is the multiple of 100. So we will break 500 as 100 multiplied by 5. Got it, beta? Now see. So first we will divide it by 100. So see, the position of decimal point is here. So after dividing by 100 means 2 places. You have to shift this here. So the decimal point is in the before the 7. So it is okay. Now divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 0 point. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5, or you can divide okay. But orally you can divide 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5, 2. So put 2 here. So this number becomes 22. So 5 fours are 20. 22 minus 20, again the remainder 2. So write down 2 before this 5. So it becomes 25. 5 5s are 20. So what is the answer? 0.145. Got it, beta? See how easy the division by the multiple of 10, 100, and 1000 and so on. Got it, beta? So let's see one more example. Divided by. Okay, so here you have to divide it by 2000. 14.5 divided by 2000. Okay. So we will break this 2000 as a multiple of 1000. Got it, beta? 1000 twos are 2000. Now see the position of decimal point is here. And you have to shift 1, 2, 3. 3 place. So here is 1, 2. So here is no 3 place. So we will put 0. So it will be 0.0145. See 3 place 1, 2, 3. And here is the decimal point. Divided by 2. Okay. Now divide it by 2. So it is 0.071. Got it, beta? See 42 0.8 divided by 400. Okay, again we will write this 400 as a multiple of 100, means 100 multiplied by 4. Now, what to do? See, it has 2 zeros, so you have to shift this decimal point to place left side. So it will be 0.428 divided by 100. See, division by 100 is over. So it is 0.428. Now, 4 ones are 4. Next number is 2. So 2 is not a multiple of 2 or 4. That's why you have to take 8. But you can't take 2 number at once. So put 0. So it becomes 28. 4 sevens are, or you can divide 428 by 4 and see what is the answer. 4 ones are 4, 0. Take out this 2. But 2 is smaller than 4. So you have to bring this 8 down. But you can't take 2 number at once. So 0 and this 8. 4 sevens are 28. So what is the answer? 0.107. Got it, beta? So in this way, you will be able to divide any number or any decimal fraction by the 10, 100,000 or their multiples. So bye-bye, children.